Order of operations, 3 or more fractions, 1. I-copy muna ang 4. 4 times 1, 4, plus 3, 7. Times 3 over 5. Times, baliktad, 2 times 1, 2, plus 1, 3. I-divide muna ang 3 at 3. 1. At 2 at 4. 7 times 1, 7 times 1, 7. 2 times 5, 10 times 1, 10. Ito ang answer. Three over 3 minus 1 over 3. Divide. Ang LCD ng 3 at 4, 12. 2 over 3 times, baliktad, 12 over 7. Pwede i-divide ang 3 at 12. 2 times 4, 8. 1 times 7, 7. Equal 1 over 7. Ito ang answer.